We're now joined live by social media expert Yair Cohen for more on this. Now, could you just go a little bit more into what you think this new tool will actually be doing? Yair, can you hear me at all? I'm afraid we're having some technical difficulties, and so we'll have to come back to our guest later if we can get those fixed.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Oh, Yair, now we've got you loud and clear, yes?
Great. Yes, I'm glad to be back. Thank you.
Wonderful, just in time. Okay, so my first question then was if you could just go into a little bit more detail about how you think this new tool will actually be working.
The idea is that users of Facebook will have slightly better control over the privacy. Now, the idea is that for the first time, users will have an opportunity to be told how Facebook is obtaining data, what type of data Facebook is obtaining about them, because what users don't realize is that they don't have to actually be on Facebook in order to have the data being extracted, used, sold, misused on some occasions. So Facebook will simply allow you to say to see what websites share with Facebook data that then Facebook usually goes to share with advertisers. However, the control isn't going to be a complete control. So even if you tell Facebook, look, I don't really want you to share this data, my data any longer with those third-party websites, Facebook will not stop sharing your data. What Facebook will do is Facebook will disconnect your name and personal details from the data, but will continue extracting the data and sharing the data. What we are not sure about, what happens if you then change your mind and say you want to change again the default settings, how that data that had been previously obtained will be used again. Is it going to be reconnected with your name, reconnected with your details? Look, the impression giving is that users will be giving some more information, or a little bit more information about how Facebook obtains the data, and nothing more than this.
Exactly, and as we mentioned earlier, even if you opt to decouple, Facebook says it will keep your data for 48 hours. So what's the point then? Are they still going to be able to collect everything as they did before?
Yes, they will still be able to collect everything as they did before. However, the only promise that Facebook is making is that your name will not be linked to that data, but Facebook will continue collecting the data as it has been doing for a very, very long time. Bear in mind that it is impossible at a moment to delete your Facebook account. So even if you decided to leave Facebook and say, look, I want nothing to do with you anymore, your data still retains by Facebook, and at any time Facebook might decide to reactivate your account with all the historical data there. So there's no way out.
Social media expert Yair Cohen, thank you so much for joining us on the program today.